Welcome to presentation related to innovation in capital markets. Everybody is eager to know what capital markets are all about. Everyone wants to earn more. When we invest our money in banks, as all of us know today, the rate of returns has reduced substantially, maybe 3% or 4% per annum. But as a crucial investor, those persons who love to multiply their money, they want to take risk, and also they want to earn more. And if you want to earn more, the answer yes, it is possible if you enter into capital market. What are these capital markets are all about? Capital market is a place where exactly we provide capital for the industries, capital for business. There are many wise businessmen in and around. If you are happy with their ideas, you will invest your money in their dreams. When they share their dreams, that is, I'm talking about the investors, the companies, when they share their dreams with you, if you are happy with their dreams, you invest your hard earned money in their dreams in the form of equities, debentures, or bonds, or any other instruments which are available from time to time. Now let us try to see what are the things which are changed today. The traditional market, we had only two. One was preference share, equity, and the debt. Preference and equity is related to capital, whereas debenture is some sort of a loan. You can see the PPTs over there. PPTs over there. The capital industry has always been influenced by innovation. Let me make it very clear. I'm talking about innovation and technology in the capital markets. The world is changing very, very fast. As all of us know, due to COVID 19, we are using technology to the maximum extent. Technology, as soon as we talk about technology, I'm talking about broadband, that is internet. Innovation is happening at a very fast pace, so as to business. So if we want to stay ahead, we have to use technology. You can see the Bombay Stock Exchange, you can see the National Stock Exchange. Every day there are ups and downs. Even though there is a lockdown, if there is a close down, the markets are not affected. Why they are not affected? Whereas all industries have come to stand still, but the capital market is going up, down, up, down. Why is it? It is because of technology. The technology depends completely on innovation. Means technology and innovation, both the things go hand in hand. I'm using a report published by PwC in 2018. They are partnered with GFMA, that is Global Financial Markets. They conducted a research how much the technology has an impact on capital market. The results were amazing, which I will talk to you in the future presentation slowly. They constructed a paper that is called as Research with an Association of Financial Markets in Europe. They conducted a study in Europe. How exactly technology plays an important role in capital markets in European countries. The presentation related to the European publication showed that global perspective there are a number of differentiator from regions to region. That is, technology plays a very important role, whether it is an Asian country, African country, or American country, or Western, whatever things we speak about. The primary driving edge was technology. The key differentiator in Asian market is that firms view themselves as an operating relatively fast growing economy. They therefore have more space to increase their revenue and business continues by focusing on more client services rather than facing the persistent pursuit of cost reduction. See, when we talk about the Western country and the Asian country, Western countries are more depending on the technology, whereas Asian countries or third world nations, what we talk about, we always want to focus on cost reduction and improving on profits. That's why little less importance is given to technology many a times. Firms in Asian are looking to their European and American counterparts for the opportunities to learn from current trends and issues, both from the technology and implementation of regulators. The technology, in this particular paragraph, it concentrates on two things. One, the use of technology, and also the regulatory aspect. Both are properly balanced in Europe and American countries. But when we talk about the Asian countries, whether it is technology and regulators, we are still working on, because we can see a lot of scams, scandals in this capital market. As and when we come across the scandals, the new regulatory frameworks will be issued. Therefore, more exercises are to be done related to technology and also to the regulatory perspective in terms of innovation in capital market. Finally, regulators across different regions are prioritizing their investment differently in building the right skill set and capabilities to be able to police this environment of fast-paced change. With some jurisdiction creating new environment to allow the firms to implement new ideas and fail fast rather than stagnate. Means we have to fail fast to learn rather than stagnate. We cannot be stagnant. We have to learn from the mistake. That's what exactly it is, the thing which we have to understand. There are three core trends which is very essential in the global market for innovation. The first one is technology. Technology is the most important powerful leverer. This is the thing which you have to understand when it comes to innovation. And the second one is we have to have a clear strategy and an immediate priority. The emerging trends in terms of whether you talk about capital, whether you talk about whether you talk about automobile industry, whether you talk about education, these things play a very important role. Those are, the first one is artificial intelligence, the second one is cloud computing, and the third one, this is related to the capital market, distributed ledger technology, that is sharing the information about the clients with one another. The third important thing is future winners in the industry will be those who are proactive. In all the fields, we should know proactiveness is very important, because we have to be more agile to fit into the changing conditions. So having the right people is the important thing. Innovation can take place at the cost of data. That is what exactly one has to understand. We are seeing more and more industries are focusing on those people who have a lot of skills, leadership, so that they can cope up with innovation rather than just working on. So an innovation for that matter directly depends on the technology, whether it's telecommunication, trade, business, education for that matter, it completely depends on the technology. So as the capital markets, as all of us are aware that we are functioning in a global village, distance and language is not a barrier at all. With the use of technology, we can overcome many related problems in the business. So nearly 90% of fintech industries agree that adoption of technology can reduce cost and also inefficiency. To be successful in fin industry, they must be more flexible and also to be open for new innovation in the market. The success of capital market depends on interconnectivity through digital process. See, the COVID-19 has created new things. That is, without data, we cannot be alive. Those persons who are depending on the data, the internet, they are very much connected. They feel that as if though nothing has happened, everything is calm and quiet. They are interconnected, they are sharing, the work is going on. So the key success is digitalization. The future to be increasingly automated, data-led, open and agile. Capital markets are to be expected to be relationship-based with merchant banks connected into the wider pool of technology service providers. The pace and impact of these technology changes suggest that financial institutions need to act fast in order to realize the benefit and maintenance their competitive position in evolving the landscape. So the global financial, these are the things related to the thing. The survey was done on 50 investment banks, and the report was prepared in association with AFME, that is related. It is a published report by PwC, which I borrowed. Based on that, the suggestions have come out for innovation in the capital markets. As I told you in the beginning itself, these are the four important things: the data analytics, the cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and distributed ledger, which plays a very important role in the innovations of capital market. Data analytic, you can see over here what exactly it is all about, how exactly it plays an important role. And the next one is cloud computing. What exactly is cloud computing is all about, you can see over here in this slide. And artificial intelligence is the order of the day in all the walks of life, in all the fields which are very, very essential. And this is the thing, important thing, that is the sharing of data related to the customers. I'm talking about the investors. Okay, investors, when they invest to their online through the demat account, they share information using DLT technology. Okay, so that everything will be transparent. Thank you very much.